Today I am going to solve activity 8.24 and activity 8.25. In activity 8.24 you have been asked to use the program in your chosen programming language to write a line of text to a text file and read it back from the file. Use the comments in the pseudocode to help you write comments to explain how the file handling works. Basically, through your Python file, we are working on Python. Through your Python, this is the code. Through a Python text, through the Python code, we are making a text file named my text. We are writing something onto that file, and then we will close that file. In the end, we will reopen the same file and we will print the line of text that we have taken as user input from the user. And another thing that is being asked from you is this, that use hash signs to write comments in your code. To explain your code, you need to write comments. Comments in Python are written using hash sign. They do not affect the code of the program. In fact, they are just used to explain the code, and they have no effect on the code. First of all, I have written that we are going to write to a text file and we are going to read a line of text from a file. And then we are making a file named my text, and we are going to write using this W, we are going to write something into it, and that file will be called my file by Python. But basically a text file named my text will be created. I will show you that the file named my text in the Python folder also. Now we are going to take input from user, that input a line of text. We need to write raw underscore input in order to input a string. This sentence will be saved into text line. Now we are going to write this text line into my file, the file that has been created by Python, and the name of that file will be my text. Then we will whatever the user will write will be written into my text line, and this will be written into my file. Then this file will be closed using this code. Now we want to open and print this sentence that was written by the user. We will first of all we will write it for the user's information, that now we are going to print that same text that was input by you. We will reopen that same file for the purpose of reading. Now we are reopening that same file for the purpose of reading, and we will read the same text line that was saved over here, and it will be printed on screen, and then we will close it again. Now let me run this program. Now I am going to enter one line of text. This is my text. I am pressing enter. The same text will be shown on the screen. This is my text. Let's check out our folder. I am going to open my computer. See, I'm opening Python. This you can see through code, this file named my text has been created. Let me open this file. You can see this is my text is written over here in this file. So now let's move on to activity 8.25, in which you are supposed to write a pseudocode to copy one line of text from one text file to another text file. I have already written this program because it should be written in pseudocode form. But over here we are declaring a text line which will be copied from one file to another file. This we have declared first file, we have declared the second file. The name of first file will be mytext.txt, and the name of the second file will be mytext2.txt. And what we will do, we will open my file for writing. First we will create one file named my text, and we will write in take we will show it on the screen that we will ask the user to enter a line of text on screen, which will be saved in text line, which will be written to this first file will be closed over here. Now we are creating a second file named file2. The same text line will be written to file2, which we have taken from as input from user in first file. Now we are just writing it to the second file, and now we are closing the second file. In the end, we will open the second file. We will read the text from that to see that the text of first file has been copied to the second file. Then we will close file2. This was a pseudocode. I have written its program also. Let's run this program. In this program, I have created two files, file1, file2. Through this code, a text file named my text will be created. A second text file named my text 2 will also be created. Then in first file we will take a input from the user, which will be saved in a variable named text line. We will copy same text line to file 2 also. Then we will close both file 1 and file 2. Then we will print it on the screen for the user that now we are going to display the text of file 2. We will open file 2. We will print the text of text line on file 2, which will be the same as the text of file 1. Let me run this program. Please enter a line of text. I am entering, copying text from one file to another. I am pressing enter, and the same text will be retrieved from the second file. Let us check it through the folder. This is the folder text was created through Python code. Now my text 2 is created through Python code, and let's check what is written into this file. Copying text from one file to another. So over here we have entered chapter number 8. Next time I will solve exam style questions of chapter 8. Thank you.